expensive functions like heavy calculations or API calls shouldn't recompute the same results again and again. In order to save this whole heavy computation again and again, we can use the concept of memoization, wherein the results are stored in the cache for a call to a particular method. And then when the method receives the same arguments back again, we can refer to the cache and retrieve the same result without having to go and recompute everything. Here is an example for the same. In this example, we have created a Memoized decorator, which stores a cache dictionary in its closure. On each call, it checks if arguments that we are passing via function is already present within a cache. If it is not, then it goes and calculate the data and store it in the cache and ultimately returns the value. So when we call the slow square first time, it basically goes, and since the cache is empty, it goes and calculate the value one at a time and stores the value x into x in the cache. And with every value, it basically goes and sleep for a second. But when we call the slow square again with the number 5, it goes to the decorator, and decorator is able to identify that, hey, this argument 5 is already present in the cache. It goes and returns the data directly without having to recompute, which essentially does not call sleep, and the code runs fast. Memoization is powerful in algorithms, data science, and API clients. You gain speed at the cost of bit of memory, and the functions interface stays unchanged.